ain't the smart of us, Amon. The cage is open and everything. Go on and go. You ain't gonna fight me in my own house, is you? Yes, I want to see where exactly you're going. Don't climb that tree. Not that way. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. I released them at dark, so they climb trees. He on my orange tree. Yeah, go to the neighbor's house. You nothing but a damn dummy. You know, fell to the ground. Alrighty. Alrighty. I sees you. This is my house, okay? I know where everything is at. You gotta go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. No. Not here. Go somewhere else. Okay. This ain't the tree you gonna climb, man.